Hey, fourth grade, this is Mr. Garcia, and I'm going to be introducing you to the centers that you're going to be working on this week in my classroom. The very first one that I want to show you, it's actually pretty cool. It's called Uno Multiplication. Now, I don't actually have Uno cards, I just have standard playing cards, but regardless, it's the same. Here's how it works. You put the cards face down, and what you'll do is you'll draw one card. Hey, look, I got the number 10. I'm going to write the number 10 down on my multiplication sheet, and then I'm going to draw another card. That's going to be my other factor. This one's 9. Okay, so then I know that I'm going to be trying to answer the question of 10 times 9. Now I know that 10 times 9 equals 90.
This is Rick. If you're still in the building, please dial 25900.
So I'm going to write 90 as my quote, as my product. And I'll continue to do that until my entire card is filled, and I can also use the back as well. This will definitely be a fun game to work with a partner. So enjoy yourself playing that activity. The next activity is actually, I'm going to show you, is actually just using the iPad. I have a really neat game called Math vs. Zombies. All you have to do is log in, press play, and you can start off with multiplication. Clicking multiplication. Start off on the easy levels. Once you work your way through, you get to a boss. If you beat the boss, it'll go even harder and harder. So this is another fun activity for you, and it's right in time for that fall Halloween season. All right, so speaking of fall season, the next game activity that I have for you is a multiplication, and it has to do with football, which is my favorite, obviously. So all I want you to do is very simple. You're gonna lay out the answer cards face up, just like so. Now I'm not gonna lay them all out. You guys will get and I'm back. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna lay down all my equations. I'm gonna put those face down, and I'm going to lay down all my answers face out just like so. And I'll lay them all out so I can see every single answer just like that. And you guys get the idea. And then I'm going to pick one card. I have 92 times 3. I'm going to look for the answer of 92 times 3. I know that 92 times 3 equals 276. So I'm going to make that match, and I'm going to make them my pair. Now it's my partner's turn. All right, we'll continue that way until time is expired. So the next activity that I have for you is another fun one. You'll love this one. It is called Multiplication Marathon. You can only play with 2 players. Each of you gets a game piece. One of you is red, one of you is yellow. Start at the start line. Then what you'll do is you're going to put all your number cards face down, and you're going to draw 1, 2, 3. And what you'll do is you'll come up with a math equation, 27 times 7. I'm going to solve that, and then it's going to be my partner's turn, and they're going to pick 1, 2, 3. They have 77 times 8. Now I know that the answer to 77 times 8 is greater than the answer for 27 times 7. So that person, whoever has the higher product, gets to move. And they get to move, according to the dice that they roll, that many spaces. 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and I'll continue doing that. So that's our next activity. That's pretty fun. And we're coming down to the end of the line, last couple centers. We have math multiplication flashcards. You can do this with one partner. You could do it with 2 partners, but you're just going to ask them, hey, what is 9 times 1? If they know the answer, 9 times 1 equals 9, they get to keep that card. They put that in the I know that pile. You're going to ask them 10 questions. 4 times 1. Oh, that's 4. Good. You get that card. 9 times 0. Let's say they say 90. Well, that's incorrect. Good try, buddy. But the actual answer should be 0. They put that in the I do not know pile. After they answer 10 questions, they should have a total of 10 cards. Then it's your turn. Switch it back. All right, that's the last. Oh, we have 2 more, and then we're done. You guys have seen these before. These are our skill cards. All you need is a dry erase and a sleeve. The questions are here, and the answers are on the other side. All you want to do is fill out the answers. If you know the answers, write them in. Check yourself just to make sure that you are correct. That's something that we've done before. And then we also have the math multiplication practice sheets, where you have a little booklet, and all you're going to do is use a dry erase marker, answer all the facts that you possibly can, and try to race against another partner who has the exact same book. who can complete their book first. All right, so those are our centers for this week. I look forward to letting you guys grow and participating in them. I will see all of you tomorrow.